Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'd like to show you how to install a cover on the cutlery basket for your dishwasher. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now to do this repair, we'll begin by opening the dishwasher up. We'll slide the lower rack forward and remove the cutlery basket. Then we'll set that on a suitable surface. Next, we'll take that cover, and you'll note that there are two hinge pins on the end of that cover, and there are corresponding holes in either end of the cutlery basket to mount that in. Now you may note that one of those pins is a little bit longer, so we'll install that one first. And then what we'll need to do is to gently flex that cover so that we can line up the second pin. So while keeping it pressed towards the end that we already have the pin installed in, just flex it enough. It'll fit in the opposite side. Verify that it opens and closes freely. If you've chosen to install two, simply duplicate that procedure for the opposite end of that cutlery basket. We can place it back in the bottom rack, close up the dishwasher, and your repair is complete.